Page 341, Russian folk song. Now we get an exercise in just reading music. Hopefully you sight read the music. I don't know that they tell you to sight read the music. They're telling you to read it. My opinion, you just go through the process I use, but do it all at once. Before you play the first note, you look it over 2 lines long, clef signs, treble bass, key signature, G major or E minor, whichever. It ends here. I'm guessing G major. So make sure you can do the scales and arpeggios for G major and E minor and blah, blah, blah. Okay. And 2/4 time signature. And I kind of look through it and what's in it. I see a bunch of eighth notes in the right hand and quarter notes in the left. So I'm kind of expecting that for the rhythm. And I might even look over for articulation and dynamics. It's loud. And the articulation's got slurs and staccatos. The left hand's all connected. So now I got all that, remember all that junk? And I just dive in and play it. However, I'm not going to do that. You do that. I'm going to go ahead and analyze and try and figure out is there a good fingering and all, because when you're sight reading, you don't have time for fingering. You're doing the best you can. You use the suggested fingering and hope that takes you where you need to go, but I can almost assure you it doesn't in many cases. So right hand first, it's here, 1 and 2 and. And I connect everything. And that's okay in the next to last measure. You can do that. You don't have to. I don't like crossing over the thumb when I don't need to. And I can just as easily cover all of those in one hand position. So I can go 5, 4, 3, and 4. If I'm going to repeat, then I'm going to use the thumb on that last one. That way I'm ready for to go back. Whichever. So my only suggestion on fingering would be a 5, 4, 3, 2 for measure 7. However, keep in mind the fingering in the book is okay. Now for sight reading, that's probably what you would do. A lot of times in sight reading, when I'm reading this, I'll see the broken chord patterns and I'll look at that measure 7. I see what that's just a broken chord. And that's probably how I'd finger it anyway. But we'll see. You never know. Left hand, same thing. We're here. 3rd finger. That puts us in position 2. I like that. I like that fingering. Now, if it's a stretch for you in the 2nd measure to go from here to here, hopefully it's not. If it is, though, you can use 4 and reach down thumb. It's okay. You can do that too. Because then you just stay there. You can do that too. Yeah, whichever. Then I put them together. Like so. At your speed, not mine. Then I go back and get rid of the hesitations. And then I'll add the articulation. Again, the left hand we're connecting. And I would suggest you connect this left hand through the whole piece. Because they have it in slur, they look like phrases. I would connect it all. I'd treat those lines in the left hand, the bottom staff as slurs. The right hand, you got staccatos. Flexing here is short staccatos. And then lift up here, it's a repeated note you have to, but I'm going to connect that. Then the dynamics, and it's loud. That's the right hand. Heavy. This is light. Keep it. And then finally the speed, vivace. And it's a fast dance, I reckon. 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, whichever. There's a note to transpose this to F major. We are in G major. We're going to go down 1 step to F major. F major has 1 flat. So we're going to play in the key of F major. And the notes in the music all go down 1 note. So instead of a B, it's an A. It's here. Remember the B flat, and we're in F major. measure 7, it's here. I'm going down in thirds here. And then up a third. However you finger it, I don't know. And the left hand, instead of this, I'm here. And instead of that, it's an A. Remember the B flat. Here. Everything just goes down one note. And measure 4, instead of a G, it's an F. And instead of a D, it's a C. Here. Then you do them together. I hesitate because I'm just trying to, you have to work out the hesitations. But the idea is all the notes go down a whole step here, and you're playing in the key of F major, not G major. So it's not one sharp now, it's one flat. Let's play this together slowly, just check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts. Ready and go and.